Hi everybody, my name is Adam Krupper. I'm the Executive Director of Capital Bike, and today on this bright, beautiful day, we're both happy and sad. We're happy because the police managed to recover our bike that was reported stolen yesterday. There's a dramatic video of it being cut off and destroyed out front, but we're happy to have it back. Unfortunately, the thieves did a real number on it. They stole a lot of parts, they destroyed a lot of parts, so I'm going to run through that with you really quick. So as you can see, the thieves really did a number on the bike. They just trashed it, they just threw it around. So we have to get new fenders on the bike. You can see there used to be a set of cranks here. The cranks have been completely removed. There used to be a motor in the drivetrain. That has been completely stolen. There used to be on the handlebars here, the handlebars have been taken off. The handlebars used to have shifters, used to have brakes, used to have a throttle and a way to change the speeds on the motor. Used to have a computer, a horn, electronic controls for the built-in lights. All of that has been stripped away and destroyed and just torn off, and it's all gone. So, you know, we're really happy to have the bike back, but on one hand, but on the other hand, like, there's a lot of repairs and a lot of things have to be completely redone. So we're looking at about $2,500 in repairs to get this bike going again. So, you know, good and bad. As a charity, we don't really have $2,500, so we're going to start fundraising to try and get money to get our bike on the road again. So we want to thank the community for all their support. It has been amazing. Thank you.